Hello, my dear student. Today I am going to explain you how to solve linear equation in two variables by graphical method. So, therefore, you should know how to draw a graph of linear equation in two variables. Okay. For that, you consider equation 2x minus y is equal to 4. First, you find the order pairs. So write your equation over here and make a table, okay, in this way. Now here x, y, and this is order pair x comma y, and then you substitute x is equal to some value and find corresponding value of y. Okay, now I will substitute x is equal to 0 in this equation. So this term is equal to 0, minus y is equal to 4, and therefore y is equal to minus 4. And therefore your order pair is 0 minus 4. Okay. Then you substitute x is equal to 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 you transfer on this side. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, minus y is equal to 0, and therefore y is equal to 0, and therefore your second order pair is 2 comma 0. Find third order pair. Substitute x is equal to 4 here. 4 into 2, 8. 8 you transfer on this side. So minus y is equal to 4 minus 8, that is minus 4, and therefore y is equal to plus 4, and your order pair is 4 comma 4. Okay, now you have these three order pairs, and then you start plotting the graph. Now therefore on your graph paper you draw a x-axis at the center, okay, and perpendicular y-axis. Intersecting point is origin 0 0. Already equal divisions are there. Number that divisions in this way 1 2 3 4 5 like that. On this side it is negative. On y-axis above positive and below negative. And then you plot the points. Okay. Now your first point is 0 minus 4. So x is 0 and minus 4 means below. So this is what your point. This point is on y-axis. Then you plot second order pair, that is 2 0, means x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Therefore this point is on x-axis. So this is what your second point. And then you plot third point 4 4, x is equal to 4 and y is also equal to 4. So this is what your third point. If you join this point you will get straight line. Okay, so in this way you have to draw a graph of linear equation in two variables. Then I will explain you some other examples which are typical examples. So the example number 2, equation is given y is equal to 2. Now this is the linear equation in one variable. You have to convert this equation into two variables in this way. 0x plus y is equal to 2. And then you find order pairs. So prepare this table again. 0x plus y is equal to 2. And prepare this table. Now in this case y is equal to 2 always. So for any value of x, y is always equal to 2. Okay, I substitute x is equal to 1 here. So 0 into 1 becomes 0 and y is equal to 2. Similarly 5, similarly minus 2. Okay, and your order pair is 1 comma 2, 5 comma 2, minus 2 comma 2. So if you draw this line, On graph paper, you'll find that this line is parallel to x-axis. Okay, so this is what your line. So this is what y is equal to 2 throughout, and therefore this is what your line which is parallel to x-axis. Okay, this point you remember. Then I will explain you one more example of same type. Suppose equation is given x is equal to 2. Convert this equation into two variable x plus 0y is equal to 2. Okay, and then what, prepare table and find order pairs. So in this case, remember x is equal to 2 for any value of what, y. Okay, so suppose x is equal, y is equal to 2, substitute y is equal to 2, x is equal to 2. Okay, if substitute y is equal to 0. Okay, so in this way you find order pairs. So remember, in this case x is what, throughout same. Now if you draw this line on graph paper, you find that line is parallel to y-axis. Okay, this point you remember. Now for more explanation, I will take some example from your practice set 1.2, page number 8. Okay, question number 1. Complete the following table to draw a graph of the lines. Two equations are given. First equation, x plus y is equal to 3. Second equation, x minus y is equal to 4. Then find first one, solution. Find order pairs of each equation. In this way, prepare this table. Similarly, prepare this table here, and then take values for x and find corresponding values of what, y. Okay, so this is x, y, x comma y. So I substitute x is equal to 3, and then y is equal to, suppose this 3 you transfer on this side, then 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Then substitute x is equal to minus 2, you will have y is equal to 5. And then substitute x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. So your order pair is 0, 3. So one thing you remember, always you try to substitute, start from what, 0. Okay, so that you will get 2 points very easily. But remember, when you substitute 0, then the other variable's value should be integer, not fraction, because fraction is quite difficult to plot. Okay, similarly you find order pair for this equation xy, x comma y, and I substitute here y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4, and here x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus y is equal to 4, therefore y is equal to minus 2. So these 2 points I will get one very easily. And then I will try for one more point. So I substitute x is equal to minus 1 over here. So minus 1 I transfer on this side, so it becomes plus 1. So minus y is equal to plus 5, and therefore y is equal to minus 5, and your second order pair is minus 1 comma minus 5. Okay, now then question number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equation graphically. Now in this way you have to find the order pairs, and also you have to draw what, graph, because you want solution. Okay, now solution. To find order pairs, make this table here, make this table here. So x plus y is equal to 6, and then I substitute x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6, then y is equal to 0, x is equal to 6. So easily I get these 2 points. Order pairs are 0, 6 and 6, 0. I will find one more order pair. So I substitute x is equal to 3. 3 I transfer on this side. So y is equal to 3. Okay, so your point is 3 comma 3. Okay, in this way you find order pairs for this equation. So I substitute x is equal to 5, then I transfer this 5 on this side, so minus y is equal to 4 minus 5, that is minus 1, and your y is equal to 1, so order pair is 5 comma 1. Similarly here I substitute x is equal to 0, minus y is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 4, so second order pair is 0 minus 4. Then I substitute y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 4, and therefore this order pair is 4 0. Okay, so now you will have 3 order pairs. Plot this on what graph paper. Okay. Now first you draw your x-axis and then y-axis. Write down your numbers, positive, negative, and start what? Plotting the point. So your first order pair is 0 minus 4, so x is 0 and minus 4, so this is what your point. This point is on y-axis. Now then plot second point, that is 4 0, and that means x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0, so this is what your second point and third point. Okay, in this way now this is a line, this is a graph of line x minus y is equal to 4, and this is a graph of line x plus y is equal to 6. These two lines intersect at this point, so this point is 5, x is 5 and y is equal to 1, and therefore your intersecting point is 5 comma 1. So this is what your solution. Then write down your solution in this way. Two lines intersect each other at point 5 comma 1, and therefore solution is x comma y is equal to 5 comma 1. Okay, you understand? Now this is what very easy. I will take okay, now today it is enough. So thank you for watching this video. Like, share, please subscribe, and if you have any question, ask me in putting comment box. Thank you. Take care.